Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series, Organic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have diketone, both are in terminal position, totally you have 6 carbon. You are reacting with propyl dibromide and base. You should find what will be the final product. Here the reaction may look simple, but it involves multiple products. Basically, you are abstracting the acidic proton from the ketone. There are many possibilities. Since the ketone is symmetrical, it forms. So anion form, anion become nucleophile. It attacks the bromide, it forms new CC bond. Again the proton abstraction, again the nucleophilic reaction. You have 5-member ring formation because ring is more stable than linear chain. It forms. Then again the possibility of base, abstract the proton. You have nucleophile. It attacks the condensation product. You have again 5-member ring. Here the water elimination is possible because of the conjugation product. The conjugation drives the final product. The concept you have to learn here is ring is more stable than linear chain and conjugation will be the always final product. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.